Hi, this is Leo from TIPTOP Stage Live. Now I show you how to open this carton box and assemble the machine. And when you receive, you can see this carton box. This is very strong one. And open. Open it. This is the top carton board. Protect this paper sticker. And you can see this is the push rod, and you can see this is the machine inside this foam, and this is the spare parts. And you can take this machine to outside. When you receive this machine, you can see we only use 2 screws to fasten this top panel, and you can lose these 2 screws. We do not fasten all the screws, otherwise if you open this one, will be very wasting time. When you take this machine body out, you use the screwdriver to lose these 2 screws. We only fasten 2 screws, not fasten all the screws. Otherwise, if you lose one by one, that is wasting time. And the spare parts, we give you one power in plug, 2 power out plug, 1 spring, and the silver color screws, and 1 big screw and a nut. Later I show you. Now we open these 2 screws. Then you can open this top cover. You can see, and you can see this is the power in socket, power out, fuse, power switch, and you can see this inside. This position is the power switch, support 25 ampere, and if push this board to press this part, it will connect electricity. If you lose, then this one will lose, will release, not connect always. No need to press 2 times. Now I show you how to connect this push rod. That is super simple. This is the spring, and you push this to inside. Can you see? Push inside, and you can see here have a hole for the screw. Can you see this position? And you open this back, and you take this screw out. And the inside also I put this screw and nuts, and you push to this position. Can you see? And you fasten this nut. No need to fasten too much. Then this is, can you see? Now I put it upward. Then you can see I use this one to press. Can you see? Can you see? This power switch can release automatically and no need to press 2 times. After you assemble, you put it flat and fasten this screw 1 by 1, then finish. Enough. And this paper sticker, you can add to the back side. The paper stick add to the back side, then finish. Very simple. Only 1 spring, 1 push rod, finish.